Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Sthembiso Nyaba. I'm the co-founder of Iphilela Craft. I was seeing the services like they are going lower in the point of people, they always buy these Chinese things, and then they are no longer have leather craft or leather design bags. They no longer have proper things. They are samples of bags and stuff. And then my services, I was wanting to do proper things in our community because is lack of belts, is lack of bags. You buy bag today, tomorrow is no longer there, and then we spend a lot, but we are not have a quality things. You can find me on Facebook, Stesh Medane. You can find me like on WhatsApp, 07293599696, 07293599696. This is Sthembiso. I'm a township entrepreneur.